Hey friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. So today we were opening Christmas presents and I unwrapped this box. So obviously I can tell what this box type is. So Dakota says that I have to record opening the box. So we finished unwrapping all our gifts and looking at everything, and so now I finally get to open this. So obviously I know what kind of box this is, but I don't know what's in the box. So I'm excited. And let's see what is in this box. Can y'all see? Okay, I knew it was a doll because it's a doll type box. It's a soft body. It has a little plushy toy, a little monkey toy. It's cute. Let's set that to the side. Okay, I might have an idea. I don't know. Dakota, I might need some scissors or just to cut that tape. I don't know. Oh my gosh, Dakota, oh my gosh, I'm about to freak out. I'm totally, but now I'm scared to use the scissors because I don't want to cut anything. Oh my gosh, y'all. See that? Do y'all see what I see? Oh my gosh, so we kind of know now what I'm opening. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to try to cut this tape because that tape is kind of strong there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dakota, I don't know. I can't cut the tape. I can just slide it off. Yeah, okay. Oh my gosh, y'all. Can y'all see that? It's a little bit creepy. That's a little bit creepy. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that is the cutest foot ever. Oh gosh, okay, I gotta open another leg. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Look at that. See if I can slide that nail. Y'all, I've wanted one of these for so long. Of course, I don't know who this is or what her face looks like or anything, but oh my gosh. Oh, okay, that is a little bit creepy. Sorry, Dakota, I'm sorry, but look. Like some polyfill looking stuff on her back of her leg. Oh my gosh. Look at those feet. Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh. We'll do some close-ups in a minute. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's time for our arm. Oh, okay. Pinky Reborn. It just says Pinky Reborn. Oh, it's a trademark. It really don't say anything else. trying to open this as quickly as possible, but oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, her hand is long. That's a long hand. Okay, let me see if I can just pull that off. Look at that. Oh my god. That's a big old hand. I mean, her hand is bigger than her feet. Okay. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is like the cutest thing ever. Should I just slide on off? Oh, it is. It's going to slide on off. Oh my gosh. That hair. Oh gosh. That hair is just something else, y'all. Okay, so. Oh, her little baby suit, her little onesie's got a monkey face on it. Okay, y'all ready to see the face? Oh, she's adorable. Oh, look at that sweet face. Okay, let's get this netting off of her. Okay, it just slides off. Phoebe is down here on my legs like, Mama, what is it? Oh my gosh. That hair is a mess. I have a baby brush. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, here's a pacifier. So it's just magnet and just sits there. Oh, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm a monkey mama. I'm finally a monkey mama. Oh my gosh. Look at her. She's so cute. I don't know if she's supposed to be like an orangutan. Dakota, do you know?
Think so.
I mean, I was thinking maybe the orangish hair.
Yeah.
I was
Looks like
thinking,
orangutan to me.
y'all have to look at that sweet face. Oh my gosh, can y'all believe that? I'm finally a monkey mama. Oh my gosh. I just love her. Oh, thank y'all so much. Y'all hit it out of the park. I swear. This is just awesome. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet looking. That's the cutest little face. Oh. Jody, we're monkey parents. He's like, you might be, but I'm not. Look at her ears. Okay, I want to do some close-ups so y'all can really see how cute she is. Oh gosh. Okay, I want to show you some close-ups of her. Okay, so she has on this cute little onesie with a little monkey applique thing on it, which a patch, I guess. And then so I opened her onesie, and she has on a diaper. She has on a little newborn diaper, I guess. So I'm gonna close her onesie back up. She is so cute. I have wanted one of these like really, really bad. Okay, I already know. I'm naming her Daisy. Okay, it took me a minute to snap all them snaps. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, look at that adorable little face. Isn't she so cute? Okay, she has a little hair bow, but it's kind of flappy there. So I'll have to brush her hair and put it in. But look at her little ears. Her hand. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. She's like one of those, you know, maybe only a mother can love her. I don't know, but I love her. I really do love her.
Phoebe is so jealous. She's sitting there staring at Mom, crying.
Phoebe's on the coffee table, standing there staring, crying. Look at that. Oh, God. Okay, that hair is a little bit creepy. But she's so cute. Look at her hand. And then her feet. Oh, my God, her feet are adorable. Look at that. Oh, gosh. So she wears size newborn clothes and newborn diapers. Oh, my gosh. She's got a cute little face. Oh, look at her. Phoebe, look. You got a sister. You got a sister, Phoebe. Oh my gosh, y'all, she is just so adorable. I love her. Okay, so I'm naming her Daisy. Ain't she cute? Dakota, y'all did so good with this. Thank you, Dakota. This is actually a gift from Dakota. Oh, Daisy. I'm going to make her some dresses and headbands. Her little head is so small. Phoebe is about to die to get up here. Come here, baby. Look, Phoebe. You got a sister. You got a sister. What do you think? Look, Phoebe. Phoebe.
She said, never mind.
Phoebe, you don't like your sister? Oh, my gosh. Phoebe, you don't like your sister? Come see. Come see sister. I don't think Phoebe likes her. Phoebe, come look at your sister. No, Phoebe don't care. Come here, Phoebe. Come here. Oh, look. You got a sister. You don't like your sister? I guess Phoebe don't like her. Oh, she's so cute.
She likes her toy, though.
Oh, Phoebe wants her monkey toy. So, here's Daisy and her monkey toy. And her little pacifier. And my shawl thing is coming off. I got so excited I knocked it off. Oh, gosh. Okay, guys. Dakota, I'm glad you had me to open this on camera. Because it's totally worth it. Oh, my gosh. I'm so excited about Daisy. I'm a monkey mama. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you all again real soon. And I'm sure you'll be seeing Daisy again real soon, too. Bye, guys. Oh my gosh, she is just adorable. I mean, she's like, you know, so ugly that maybe only a mother could love her, but I love her. Yes, Daisy. Oh gosh. Oh man. That is just awesome. Dakota, thank you. Thank you so much. You knew just what to get me.